Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Audi A4 headlight washers. First, make sure your car's ignition is on and your low beam headlights are illuminated. It's also crucial to have enough windshield washer fluid in the reservoir. To activate the headlight washers, simply pull the windshield washer stock towards you and hold it for at least 2 seconds. This action will trigger the cleaning cycle for your headlights, ensuring clear visibility. Once activated, the system works by extending small, high-pressure nozzles from your front bumper. These nozzles spray a powerful jet of cleaning fluid directly onto your headlights. Generally, the headlight washers will operate automatically every 5th time you engage the windshield washers. This clever design ensures your headlights remain clean, significantly improving your visibility and safety, especially during adverse weather conditions or night driving. To keep your headlight washer system performing its best, regular maintenance is key. Always check and refill your windshield washer fluid, particularly as colder months approach. Using a high-quality, all-season washer fluid is essential to prevent freezing and ensure effective cleaning. Also, before using the system, quickly check that the nozzle areas are free from any ice or debris, which could obstruct the spray. If your headlight washers aren't working, start by checking the fluid level and confirming your headlights are on. A common issue is frozen nozzles, especially in cold weather. Try warming your vehicle or gently clearing any ice. For more persistent problems, it's always a good idea to consult your Audi owner's manual for specific guidance or reach out to a qualified service professional. They can diagnose and resolve any underlying issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.